Hello everyone, my name is Riyansh Korea and I study in grade 6 D.Y. Patil International School, Pune. For this competition, I have made a pinhole camera. I had decided to make this so that we can easily understand the property of light named rectilinear propagation of light. It states that light travels in a straight line. The basic the basic definition that I have learned in my books is rectilinear propagation describes the tendency of electromagnetic waves of light to travel in a straight line. So I have made this with the materials using an old shoebox. I used a white paper and oil to make the screen, and I have pasted black paper inside the whole box. And first I pricked a hole with a safety pin here, and then with a pencil I made the hole large because the pinhole camera is little bit large. So first I stick the black paper inside the whole box. Then I applied a little oil on the white paper and removed the excess oil from it. I did it like that because I didn't had butter paper in my home. Friends, you can also make butter paper using this method. After that, simply I took a safety pin and I pricked the hole in the middle of the side. I found the middle of the face by making the line diagonally from this corner to this corner and a line from this corner to this corner, and I found the intersecting point of that lines. So first I pricked with the pin and then I made the hole large. When my screen was ready, I just cut it down this side and I pasted the screen here, and my pinhole camera was ready. At last, I just had to keep the pinhole camera like this in a source of light, and the rays of the light from here would go down to here, and the light rays from the downside would go upward. Like this, the image on the screen looks inverted. Let's demonstrate it, and we are going to see the building which is opposite to my house. Here I am trying to demonstrate the device that I have made. So basically I am trying to observe the building which is opposite to my house. So you can see that the building is looking inverted. The surroundings and the other buildings which are behind the building I am seeing are also looking inverted. Then some of the plants which are kept in my balcony, some pots, all the things are looking inverted. So basically this device works on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light, which states that light travels in a straight line. Thank you.